Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Mac using Time Machine. So let's say if you're selling out your Mac to someone else or you're giving it to someone else to use it, before that you should erase your Mac, and before erasing, you should always back up your Mac. So how can you back up your Mac? So the process is actually very simple. First of all, you need to connect external drive where we will be taking our backup. So let me connect external drive first. So as soon as you connect external drive, it will display the drive on your desktop. Now once you connect drive, after that all you need to do is you can go in system settings over here, or else you can go and select Apple logo and then system settings. Now once you are in system settings, you can go in general option, and then you get an option of time machine over here, or else you can directly search time machine in the search bar. Select time machine, and on the next page it is asking us to add backup disk, so which is why we need to connect external disk first. So select add backup disk, and then the connected disk will be displayed over here. So all you need to do is set up disk. Now it will give you a pop-up screen for the backup you're doing. If you want to encrypt your backup, you can turn on this toggle. You can add password over here, and then you can select done option. But if you don't want to encrypt your backup, you can turn off this toggle. For now, I'm not going to turn on this, so it depends on you. So once everything is done, you can select done option. Now you can see the drive has displayed over here, and within 54 seconds it will start doing the backup, so we need to wait for it. Now you can see once the timer is over, it will automatically start doing the backup. So it will take some time. So I'll get back to you when the backup is complete. Now once the backup is complete, you will get notified. So you can check out the last backup time over here, and you can also see the next backup, which is automatically, and it is hourly based. So if you want to change this next backup system, you can just go in options, and over here backup frequency you can set it as per your requirement. So if you want to do manually or automatically every day or automatically every week, you can set as per your requirement. So if you don't want it to be automatic, you can simply set it to manually and then simply select done, and that's it. So the if you want to check the backup again, you can go in the same drive, and over here this is the backup. So if you're setting up new MacBook, you can connect this particular drive at the time of setup to the new Mac, and you can clone that Mac as your current one. So yeah, that's how simple it is to back up your MacBook using Time Machine. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.